Hi, so I'm happy to inform that we just finished this project where the admin can monitor the escape room. So this is essentially a escape room management software that we created using Google Apps Script, where the admin enters the task one by one, right? So they have like a escape room which they want to manage. So basically, what they're doing is they lock the players inside the room and they give them some tasks, right? And each task has some time. And then there is the objective of the task, there are the clues for the task, and then there is a game manager who can manage this game using the front end. And I'll show you the how the front end looks in just a second. So you enter the allotted time. So over here, task one has 2 minutes, task two has 3 minutes, task three has 1 minute, and so on and so forth, right? And then there are clues. So let me just show you how that looks on the front end. This is how it looks on the front end. This is what the game manager will see. Okay, so the game manager comes over here, and as soon as he clicks on the start game, you can see that the timer has started, and they have a total of 60 minutes to finish this game, whereas the task one has 1 minute 48 seconds, and they have extra time of 47 minutes in this case. Uh, so they have an option. So, like when this task is about to expire, like when it is less than 1 minute, then this screen will start blinking, asking for the admin to add another minute to the task or complete the task, right? So it will start blinking. Similarly, if this timer is about to run out, if there is not enough time for us to finish the game, then it will start blinking. And it also shows the clues. And then you can say, for example, this clue, once the game manager provides this clue to the player, he can click on that and it will turn green. So that kind of reminds the game manager that, like uh, this clue was given. So as I was saying, if the task time is less than 1 minute, it will start blinking. So that lets the game manager know that either you have to add a minute, you have to provide a clue, or you have to go to the next task, right? So you click on add a minute and it will stop blinking automatically, and you can see that the extra time reduced by 1 minute. So the game has 58 minutes remaining. And then let me also show you that if you just happen to lose your internet connection, or if you happen to navigate away from the game is still kind of recorded in the Google spreadsheet. So even if you are not on this window and you come back later, then the game resumes until unless you do a reset game. So you see, still there is 58 minutes, and still there is the same timer continues whether or not you are looking at this screen. That is what I was trying to say. And then once you do once you do complete, then it will automatically move on to the next task. So this is task two. And then again, we have like uh, also we have this functionality where you put the image link in the Google spreadsheet, and on the front end we can just click on show image and it will show you the image. So that is another clue that you can provide to the game managers can provide to the players, right? So this was like a game management customized front end that we created using Google Spreadsheet. So you put your data into the Google Spreadsheet and it runs using your Google account. So let me show you how that looks. Okay. So this is extensions app script. This is the script that I have written. And from this script, you can do deploy, and then you should be doing new deployment, but I'll just do a test deployment to show you. And once you deploy, then you get this link. Once you go to that link, that is where the front end is. Okay. So the Google spreadsheet is there, and the Google spreadsheet contains this script. And once the script is deployed, it is giving you a URL, which is the front end that I have designed specifically for this client. On this front end, they can do escape room management. So essentially, they have multiple escape rooms, and this was like one of the escape rooms. If you wanted to create another escape room, you could just do file, make a copy of this one, and you can create as many escape rooms as you want. So let me also show you that reset game. Once I do reset game, then like everything turns back to zero. So you are ready for the next batch of players. I hope this makes sense. If you need a similar script or if you need a similar customization, please do get in touch with me. I have over 10 years of experience doing Google App scripting, and I can do almost anything involving any Google Workspace element. Thank you for watching. Have a good one. Bye.